Hey, bilingual teachers, ESL teachers, I want you to take a trip with me. Are you ready? I want us to go on a bilingual toolkit trip to MackinVIA. Now, MackinVIA, if you are with Region 1, Los Fresnos, you have access to MackinVIA. I am actually going to log in. Here, to log in, you would type in your school, your user ID and password. I have a secret password and log in, which I'm going to do right now, and you won't have to do this, so don't worry about that. Once I am in, I'm just going to go into this campus here because that's what I have available. Again, you won't have to do any of this. Once you log in, you're automatically in. Are you ready? Perfect. Once you're into MackinVIA, this is what it's going to look like for you. And you are going to go to the left side where it reads categories. You see that? Okay, my car is a little old. Here we go. We're going to go into digital resources. As you can see, I have, for this specific campus, I have 42 available digital resources. I'm only going to go over about 3 or 4 of my favorites because of time. One of them is bilingual BrainPop ESL. You can use BrainPop ESL not only with bilingual and ESL students, but you can also use it for pre-readers and early grade levels. Once I am in here, I am going to choose as a student if I'm going to take a placement test or anything else that I want to do. For now, I'm just going to take you into level 1 because I want you to look at all the amazing resources that are available. If I go here to Unit 1, I will have different options. I'm going to choose pronouns. And again, look at the different options that I have. I can use this if I don't, my students don't have computers. Me as a teacher, I can have computers. I will have a computer and we can use this for our students. If I go here to flashwords, scroll down, look at how amazing this is.
Friend, girl.
Again, because of time, I won't be able to show you everything, but we are going to continue. This is going to log out of this one because we don't need it. I'm going to scroll down, and then I'm going to search for one of my favorites, which is actually Britannica. Sometimes our students come in and we might not have enough resources for them in their native language. So here I'm going to go to Britannica Escolar. I'm going to open it now. I have 2 options, primaria, secundaria. I might select primaria. And seeing that it's January, I'm going to type in Martin Luther King. Press enter. And here are the different tools available to me for Martin Luther King. Okay, I have videos, I have an article. Here it gives you more information. And then over here on the right, if the student chooses this as a favorite, they can do so. They can print it, they can email it out, they can use citations, and of course they can make the font larger or smaller. Let's go back to another resource. Learning Zone is also a favorite of mine. Again, if you go in here, depending on the grade level, students can explore from any place in the world. If you go here, you can choose based on the continent. You can also choose to play and read and write.
Looking for seashells. She already has one big pink seashell.
You see how the author is reading and then the words are coded. You can also find vocabulary words.
Allergic.
Gives you the definition, gives you examples, and it gives you a sentence.
People at all, then you are allergic to it.
How amazing is that?
Alligator.
Right?
An alligator is a reptile that lives in warm regions near water.
Perfect. I'm going to go to one more, which is Britannica Moderna. And again, here you may choose based on alphabetical order. You can look for biografías for videothèque. biblioteca and an atlas here. This is what they're showing right now, which is Martín Pescador, which is a type of a bird. It's a species. And again, here is all the information on it. It gives you here, if I click on this, it'll take me to more information, and it will even read the word for me. If I click on play. Okay, I thought it was going to click the word for me, but actually it's giving me the sound the kookaburra makes. Anyways, these are all our interactive tools that we can use with bilingual education in our bilingual toolkit, and I hope you jump into MackinVIA and we take a trip together. Activate!